Have you ever heard the phrase, "You've got to spend money to make money"? Well, here's the truth. Most people think starting a side hustle requires thousands of dollars, a ton of free time, and a sprinkle of magic fairy dust. Nope. In 2025, you can start making money online with $0 upfront. Not 50 bucks. Not 20. Zero. Today, I'm breaking down 10 proven side hustles you can start right now, even if you only have 1 hour a day. By the end of this video, you'll have at least one idea you can act on tonight, without draining your bank account. Number 1. Freelance microjobs. Let's start with something easy. Freelance microjobs. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you post small services like resume editing, simple Canva designs, or even writing short bios. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to offer a specific service. For example, I'll create a motivational quote graphic for Instagram. People pay 5, 10, sometimes even 20 bucks for this. If you knock out a few in an hour, that's gas money, grocery money, or debt payment money. The trick here is to start with something simple you can do fast. Don't overcomplicate it. Post your gig, get your first review, and watch it snowball. Number 2. User testing. Second, user testing. This is one of my favorites because it's basically getting paid to give your opinion. Sites like User Testing pay you $10 for a 20-minute test where you review a website or app. All you do is click around, talk out loud about what you see, and boom, money in your PayPal. Some people make $100 or more a week just testing sites while sipping coffee in their pajamas. Number 3. Online tutoring. Next up, tutoring. And before you roll your eyes, no, you don't need to be a math genius. Platforms like Preply or Cambly let you teach English, basic subjects, or even conversation skills. If you've ever explained something clearly at work, congratulations, you qualify. And these sites often pay daily or weekly. Even one student a day can add up to a few $100s extra each month. Number 4. Print on demand. Number 4 is print on demand. Here's how it works. You design a funny t-shirt, mug, or sticker, upload it to a site like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify, and they handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You never touch the product. Your job is just to make the design. Even simple text designs like "Running late is my cardio" can sell like crazy. People love witty, relatable merch. Number 5. Affiliate marketing. Now, let's talk affiliate marketing. Sounds fancy, but it's simple. You recommend a product, someone buys through your link, and you get paid a percentage. Amazon Associates is the easiest way to start. You grab a link for literally anything Amazon sells. If you've ever told a friend, "Hey, this coffee maker is amazing," then you already know how affiliate marketing works. The difference is, now you get paid for it. Number 6. Voiceover. If you've got a decent voice, there's demand for audiobooks, explainer videos, and ads. And even if you're shy about speaking, AI tools like 11 Labs or Speechify can polish your audio. You just read a script, record it on your phone, clean it up with free software, and upload it to Fiverr. Simple, faceless, and people pay $20 to $100 per project. Number 7. Faceless YouTube Shorts. 7. Faceless YouTube Shorts. This is blowing up right now. All you need is stock clips or images, text on screen, and either your voice or an AI voiceover. You can post funny motivational quotes, quick money hacks, or even sarcastic life advice. Shorts are the fastest way to grow a channel. And once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views, YouTube starts paying you through the partner program. It takes consistency, but it's one of the most scalable side hustles on this list. Number 8. Sell digital downloads. 8. Digital downloads. This is where your creativity comes in. You can make planners, printable wall art, affirmation cards, or Cricut SVG cut files, and list them on Etsy. The best part? You make it once, and it sells over and over while you sleep. People are constantly searching for budget planners, habit trackers, or even quirky holiday printables. Think about it. One digital file could pay you hundreds of times. Number 9. Cashback and reward apps. Now, this isn't going to replace your income, but it's free money you're leaving on the table. Apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Honey give you cash back for purchases you already make. I know someone who used Ibotta to cover their entire holiday shopping budget just by stacking cash back. Think of this as bonus money that makes other side hustles even sweeter. I'd like to take a quick moment to give a special shout-out to Fetch Rewards. Fetch is my personal favorite rewards app that gives you points for every receipt you snap. You can cash in the points for gift cards for places like Amazon, Starbucks, Visa, and so much more. I know what it's like to be down and out and not know where the next meal is coming from. I have personally used these gift cards to buy groceries. One year it covered most of my gift shopping. You're getting rewards for shopping you are already doing. It's a huge bonus, and one that shouldn't be overlooked. I've put a referral link and code in the description, along with instructions on how to sign up. When you use this code to sign up, you will get bonus points. It's a great boost. To be clear, Fetch Rewards is not sponsoring this video. I'm sharing my own personal experience of an app that actually helped me when I was really pinching pennies. So, go grab a receipt from the last 2 weeks, then go to the link below. Now, let's get back to our regularly scheduled video. Number 10. Cricut Quick Crafts. And finally, Cricut Quick Crafts. If you already own a Cricut or heat press, you're sitting on a money machine. Custom mugs, tote bags, ornaments, and t-shirts are hot sellers on Facebook Marketplace and Etsy. You can make $5 to $10 profit per item, and seasonal designs fly off the shelves. Imagine knocking out a batch of ornaments in one weekend and pocketing a couple $100 before Monday. There you go. 10 side hustles you can start in 2025 with zero money upfront. None of these require you to be a genius, none require expensive gear, and all of them can fit into your spare time. The key is to just pick one and start. Which of these sounds doable for you? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos on making money the easy way. Because let's be real, bills don't wait, and neither should you.